Hi, I'm Ryan, CEO of KHB Construction. Today we want to shoot a video talking about what your kitchen remodel is going to cost in Tracy, California. So here at KHB, we specialize in kitchen, full home, and bathroom transformations, and we've done quite a few in the Tracy area. And when we're talking about cost in your kitchen, there's a few major drivers that are going to increase your cost or decrease your cost. Before we get to that though, let's talk about what type of kitchen you're looking for. And we mostly deal with two types of kitchens here at KHB Construction. The two types of kitchens we're dealing with are the transitionary or forever home kitchens. Transitionary kitchen is talking about the kitchen you're gonna live in for the next 5 to 15 years, not dumping a crazy amount of money in there, but we're making it look nice, it's gonna be functional, and it's gonna serve you well until you sell your home or move out of your home and use it as a rental or whatever you're doing with it. The second kitchen we're gonna talk about is the forever home kitchen. This is a kitchen that you are gonna spend the rest of your life in. This is the last remodel you're ever gonna do in this space, and we wanna make it as nice as possible and as functional for how you're gonna use it for the years to come. Now in here, there are some higher end finishes, typically a higher cost than the transitionary kitchen, and we're gonna dive into both of these kitchens and break down what the cost typically is. First, let's talk about the 5 to 15 year kitchen. So in this 5 to 15 year kitchen, we typically are keeping the same footprint of the kitchen. One of the biggest costs, about 30% of the cost in a kitchen, is the cabinetry. Now, depending if that's ready to assemble or semi-custom or full custom cabinet set, is typically the main cost in a kitchen when you're doing a full gut. So when we're in that transitionary kitchen, as much as possible, we're trying to reuse existing cabinetry, possibly redoing the doors and drawers and repainting the full set. The cabinetry is staying in the same location, and now on top of the cabinetry, there's obviously some sort of countertop. And typically in this kitchen, we are going between $1,000 to $2,500 per slab. And this is not a extravagant countertop, but it looks great. It's highly functional and very durable, depending on the product you choose, for the top of the cabinets. Typically, these countertop materials are man-made quartz, granite, or some lower end natural stone. We're typically staying away from the cladding material, the real thin porcelains or dectons, or the higher end quartzites or marbles in this transitionary kitchen. The transitionary kitchen, all in all, with a full remodel, but keeping the existing cabinets, typically starts around $55,000. There have been cases that are outliers that are less than that, and obviously there are cases that it's much more expensive depending on the size and material. But you can guarantee you're gonna be around that $55,000 number for a full transitionary kitchen remodel. Now, on the flip side of this, the forever home kitchen, we're doing everything we're doing in this transitionary kitchen, but just a little bit extra. Typically in this forever home kitchen, we are redoing the layout to make it as optimal as possible for how you're gonna use your kitchen. So this is usually all new custom cabinetry with some stain grade features, all top of the line hardwood interiors, very durable cabinet set because we want this to last forever, right? Higher end solid surfaces, higher end plumbing fixtures, top of the line appliances. And this forever home kitchen typically starts off in Tracy around $85,000 plus, depending on the size. A lot of that cost here is the cabinets and appliances. That can make up well over half of that $85,000 price tag. Long story short, depending on what you're looking for in your next kitchen remodel in Tracy, there is something that will fit your stage of life. Whether that's the 5 to 15 year home or your forever home, I would encourage you to please give us a call. We would love to talk to you about your next kitchen remodel. So click the link, fill out the get your quote form, and we'll talk to you soon.